what we're going to do here is we're going to draw an isometric representation of this model here. We're going to draw a plan view and then some elevation views of the same 3D block. As you can see, it's been made up of 4 smaller blocks. So I'll deal with the isometric drawing first. What I like to do is identify a leading edge, and here is an obvious leading edge. And then leading away from that leading edge, I like to see these kinds of angles here, leading off, because they are very similar to the isometric paper that I'm going to use. So it makes sense that I try and orient the shape that I want to draw in the same way as I'm going to draw with my paper. So if I just return to the original idea of a leading edge, so there we go. That's my leading edge. It's too high. So I'm going to draw my leading edge here too high. So 1, 2. Okay. Now I need to see how many blocks, how many widths this way, and it's just 1. So let's go just 1 up towards the right. Same idea this way, but it's 1, 2 this way. So on my drawing, I go 1, 2. Go back here, I'll do the back here. So it goes up 1. So here I just go up 1. Next, I'll go for this one here, goes up 2. That's great. Goes up 2. And then you can see those two will meet. So there we go. Those two meet. And I'm actually going to finish off the top of this block. So here, and here, and here. And those lines are here, and here, and here. Okay. So this is this. You can see this goes down, not to, I mean the blocks go down to, but not the shape. It only goes down to here. Okay, so it goes down 1. So I'm going to draw going down 1. And then after it's gone down 1, it goes and joins this line that I've already drawn at the back. So you can see here. There I go. And finally, you can see over here that there is a line here. You can't see the whole width of the block, but that's okay. So here, sorry, let's do that again. This line comes in here. Okay. And as I said, at the back, that top corner, that goes across. So I need to do the same over here. This will go across. And you will see that it's a bit odd. That is what it is. It's got to go that way. And there I have, it doesn't look exactly like this because of perspective and how the picture was taken, but you can see 2, 2, 2, 2, goes up 2, goes up 2, there's 1 at the back, there's 1 at the back, and so on. So that's the isometric drawing complete. With the plan drawing, kind of simple in a way. If I do the front elevation first, so when I look here, all I can see is that face. So all I would need to do is draw that face. I don't draw that line because it doesn't change the face here. It's the same flat face all the way. The depth does not change on this face. So I don't need to indicate that there is any change because there isn't. It's just because I'm using different blocks. Okay, and for the side elevation, a little bit more interesting. So side elevation is, it's an L shape, but a backwards L, right? So I need to go like this. So I go down 1. On this, that's that bit there. This bit here, I go down 2. This bit here would be the top, so that's what I could see if I was standing here, looking that way. this bit here is this bit here, right? And then I can just do that and that to finish it off. And this is my side elevation. So if I was looking from here, I would see a backwards L. That's how it is, 2 high, 2 across, 2 high, 2 across. And the last one is the plan. I'd be looking like this. So I want to draw it in line with the front elevation. I would see 1, 2. I'd see that face and that face. So I'm going to indicate that. So I would see 2 faces. Now because this face and this face are not at the same height, so I have to indicate that there is a change in height of the faces. And I do that by drawing a line. When you see a line like this, you know that it's indicating that there is a change in face. It's either higher or lower than the other. So that's how you do this particular problem.